At SabeRex, our decades of enterprise-level experience give us a bird's-eye view of the big picture in manufacturing processes. We make things better, and we make systems work. When a water quality testing company came to us, they were growing fast. Their ultra-precise products required a high level of durability and water resistance. Plus, they needed them quickly and at a competitive cost. After a quick analysis of the company's customized water probes and filters, as well as their business model, we elected to produce the parts using 3D printing. With complex components, specific material characteristic requirements, and the added advantage of flexible order quantities for their growing business, any other manufacturing method would have left them trading off quality, cost, or customization. In fact, a traditional manufacturing method literally could not have produced the complex geometry needed for these parts. We iterated designs made specifically to optimize the carbon M2 printer and materials in use, then pushed to production with our optimized model. Components with complex unmoldable geometries like precision-printed screw threads were produced and fit seamlessly with the rest of their assemblies. No long lead times, no trade-off for quality or complexity, and at a competitive cost per part. Because of the design and big picture thinking involved in our end-to-end solution, our customer could even order on demand without long-term carrying cost or amortization, allowing their fast-growing business even more working capital to keep growing. They say if you need something made fast, made well, and made affordable, that you can pick 2 of 3 at best. At SabeRex, we disagree, and this case study proves why.